Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to airdrop from Mac to iPhone in 2023. Are you looking for a quick guide how to airdrop from your Mac to your iPhone this year? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, use airdrop on your Mac to send files to devices near you. Airdrop lets you wirelessly send documents, photos, map, locations, web pages, and more to nearby Mac, iPhone, or iPad. So to send items using airdrop from the desktop or a Finder window, click the item you want to send. Choose Share from the shortcut menu. Choose AirDrop, then select the device you want to send the item to. From the Finder, click AirDrop in the Finder's sidebar, then drag the item to the device you want to send it to. From an app, click the Share button in the app's toolbar. Choose AirDrop, then select the device you want to send it to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.